Oh, you want some?
Seriously? Here's our tickets. Thank you. Enjoy your movie. Thank you. Unbelievable.
You want one?
Hey! Hey, come back here and clean this up! Oh, these superheroes! Huh? What's this? Who left these? I wonder what these taste like. Haha, those heroes are done messing with me. Enjoy the movie. What are you doing here?
I'm just here to see the movie. Here's my ticket. I don't have any food, promise.
The rules have changed over here.
No superheroes. What?
Don't worry, they can't keep us out.
Not so fast.
What's going on?
Haha, gotcha.
Help me! Don't worry.
I don't think so. Are you familiar with Newton's law?
What?
What goes up must come down.
Lily, what are you doing?
You think you could break the rules just because you have powers?
Well, stop breaking the rules. Yeah, we're sorry, Lily.
It's too late. Superheroes are banned from this theater forever. Oh, sorry. I'm here to see. Stop! You're a superhero. I'm not letting you in.
Wait, what do you mean? I paid for my ticket. I don't even have superpowers. Are you kidding me right now?
I've heard enough.
What do you think that's gonna... Ooh! Ooh!
You're no match for me.
Oh, got it! No! See ya!
Hey, no superheroes allowed.
I'm not a superhero. I'm just wearing the cape for the movie.
Read the sign.
I'm not even a superhero.
Superhero.
I'm trying to tell you over and over again. It's just...
I'm not taking any chances.
Next!
I think I've seen you before. Did you bring food last time?
Nope, and I don't have any food this time.
Let me scan you. You're clear. Go ahead.
Thank you. You want some? Yeah.
Oh, come on! I'm not even a superhero. I'm a sidekick. Get out! Next! Stop!
No superhero will get past me.
I'm just here to watch a movie.
Hey, what's going on?
Gotcha!
Oh, you think it's that easy?
Ah! Let's see if you can handle a thunderstorm. What? I don't understand. It was supposed to.
You really thought you could stop me?
Wait!
Oh, come on, I'm just a fan.
Do I have to say this every time? No superheroes!
Next!
Alright, let me scan for food.
Okay,
He doesn't look super. All clear. Enjoy the movie.
thank you.
Next, did you see that? Whoa, that move was so cool. Whoa, look at that kick. Oh.
Who's talking?
Oops, sorry.
Thank you. Hello? Oh man, it's my mom. Hey mom. Yeah, I'm at the movies. No, not that one. The one with the moose. I can't take it anymore.
Be quiet during the movie.
Sorry, won't happen again.
Much better.
Wait a minute. You look familiar.
Well, I am a billionaire, so here you go.
Oh yeah? Let's see who you really are. I caught you.
Huh?
Nice try.
Oh man, I was so close.
Better luck next time. And who are you supposed to be?
I'm super, I'm still working on the name, but I will stop you.
We'll see about. Hey!
Haha! Mom, Dad, hurry! Wait, that wasn't supposed to happen. I've been working on my defense.
Yeah, well, what's the plan now?
I didn't plan for this. I'm out of here.
Amateur. My theater is so much better now that the superheroes are all gone.
Lily, this ends now.
Come on, guys.
You think a few webs will stop me? Oh, you have no idea what you're up against.
What's going on?
We can't let Lily keep doing this.
How are we gonna stop her?
Well, first we can go to you guys. Looks like you guys need some help.
Oh, little Kev is so cute.
Ooh, I love his music.
Hey, no superheroes allowed in my theater.
Sorry, I'll be on my way. So Lily likes Lil Kev, huh?
This is my favorite song.
What's up, Lily?
No way. It's Lil Kev.
Just want to meet my #1 fan?
That's me.
It's over, Lily.
My rings.
Heads up, guys.
Yes, we can go back in the theater. Wait, no. You haven't seen the last of me. Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe.
And hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.